So this sunflower we bought like 3 weeks ago. And I hang it to dry, and now it's really fully dry. So let's see if we get some seeds. Let me squeeze them. Oh no, someone got to, oh no, right here. Oh my god, I got so scared. So these seeds, I'm gonna plant them next year. The sunflower is really big. They're like plate-like. Oh, I don't know if it's good. They're so tiny. I don't know. Look at that. You know what? See, look. Hopefully, there's so many of them that I'll be able to grow at least a few. We'll find out next season. Let's see how much we could generate from this petal. It's so windy right now, so I'm gonna get me a jar or Ziploc just to put this thing. Stick it. I think that's it. The rest are not good seeds. Look.
The others are good.
Feel good? Okay. We'll just segregate them later. Just pick